Hello and welcome back. I'm really happy to see you here again. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming cleaning routines. Today I'll be taking care of the computer desk. I start with the cleaning spray and the soft cloth, preparing everything I need. First, I move a few items aside to make space for wiping. It's always easier to clean properly when the surface is clear. Then I gently spray the cleaner across the desk and slowly begin to wipe. I move the cloth from one side to the other, making sure I cover the entire surface. Dust and fingerprints collect easily on a computer desk, so I take my time to polish every part. I go over the middle, then along the edges and around the areas where hands usually rest. After that, I repeat the motion again just to make the surface look perfectly smooth and fresh. A clean desk always makes the whole workspace feel more organized and motivating. Even small routines like these can change the atmosphere of the room and help you focus better. Thank you so much for watching this cleaning session with me. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to see even more content, you can always check the link in bio. See you soon. Bye.